Right, so this is the first time I've ever started a video off at a hotel room. And there's probably no better view than that. I'm looking directly at the Nurburgring. I woke up to the sound of GT3 RSs just flying by. But yeah, I was due to come up here in the M5, then I ran into some issues in addition to what you saw in the last video. So ended up coming in the RS3. I am meeting up with some friends as well. It's just I'm a day late because of the issues I had with the M5. So yeah, we'll go catch up with them in a bit. We'll show you the car park at the ring as well. But yeah, just enjoy this weekend and let me know what you think about this more chilled out content. There it is. Definitely killed a fair few flies on the way here. 9 hours straight drive yesterday. Nice GT4 over there. The one thing you will notice, so you probably already know anyway, there's Porsches absolutely everywhere. They're like Golfs here. The only issue today is probably going to be the heat, so it's 28.5 right now, so you can imagine what it's going to be like mid-afternoon. But I heard it's raining in the UK, so that's all that matters. We're in a nice sunny place. You can just see i30Ns and Veloster Ns and everything just out here. Driveways are just littered with enthusiast cars. So 2 GP3s, S2000, and check this out. So this is actually the thing you see on YouTube all the time, the BMW M Test Center. It feels like I'm playing like a game. If you've never been out here, just get yourself here. That's all I'm gonna say. I mean, I haven't even been to the track yet, and from what I've seen has already made it worth it. Look how smooth this tarmac is. And M4. Pretty much all the main manufacturers are here. GM Test Center, so probably all the crazy ZR1 prototypes are chilling in there. Hyundai Technical Center. Plenty of GRs and GTR Blacks. I mean, look at the cars in there. I can't even film them properly, but there's everything. Alright, so we just met up. These are the cars I'm with. So E92 M3, believe it or not, that's got a G-Pass supercharger. E60 M5 Tejas one, which you've seen before. Now I actually filled up here yesterday. It's got 102 run. Got it on the 99 map, but yeah, it's definitely running nice. R32, million M2s. Mark 7. Another GTI. M2 CS, 1M and an M2 comp side by side. That E90 is pretty serious. Pretty sure I've seen videos of that thing flaming. It's properly packed today, and literally that's the main street there. Ring Taxi M5 CS, nice Mark 5 there as well. So I'm gonna get some GoPros hooked up now. We're gonna head out on track. I've bought one lap so I don't get carried away. We're gonna take it easy. I'm here with Wahab. He was here yesterday already, so he's been on track a few times. Yeah, we'll just go with the flow really. All right, so first time ever going on the Nurburgring. Don't know what to expect here, but there's cars parked on the straight. It's crazy compared to the game.
Told you, didn't I?
This is insane, isn't it? Whoa, you can literally, I told you, it feels like a...
Mark 5's coming, yeah.
Serious.
Yeah,
you know what had the irony of being overtaken by Mark 5 on the first corner? Going past.
See what I mean about the elevation? Look at it even this little bit. See how the tracks.
This is totally different to
the game. That's what I'm saying, the game.
All the stuff in the boots moving around. happened. That would have been an eventful first. Compressions are insane. Not bad, I think, because I changed the tyres. I do apologise about the water moving around. Whoa. Nice this.
Yeah. The car's nice and balanced.
Power delivery's perfect as well.
This is that tight bend, you remember?
Yeah, hard on the brakes.
To come on after the game here.
Yeah. What a place.
Yeah.
Oh.
This is that bend.
Wow, look, it's like you're going up like a mountain or something.
Go on, you press that. Is that Amar and his M3?
Let these crazy Hondas go past. That's a bit you and Wahab.
Yeah.
Wahab is a big Honda fanboy, so seeing an EG smoking RS3 is definitely the one. What a place, man. I feel like my eyes have been opened up to what I should be doing with cars, man.
That's what I was trying to say to you. Once you do it,
It's addictive though, isn't it? Yeah, it'll be fine. Cupra going pretty hot. We'll let him go past. You know what would have been really good if I had my Mark 7 GTI still? First time.
Second
that bit that I quite like, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. This is a section that we're trying to beat up the time, sector times.
That's it, yeah. Oh, this is crazy, man.
This is another.
No real brake fade yet. Third's quite short, isn't it?
Yeah. This is another.
Just trying to get part of a compilation.
But not fast.
Yeah. This RS3 is pretty good, you know.
Yeah, what's the temp saying? Oil?
123.
It's alright, huh?
Yeah. If it gets up to 130, 135, that's still fine. Suspension's okay as well.
I reckon his wheel setup helped it.
Definitely 265 all round.
carousel coming up. The second carousel. Yeah, there's this bit. Once I get feel on this, third gear is perfect.
Eventful, bro.
Yeah.
But first thoughts, man. What a place.
Heaven.
Legit, I've never been here yet, and within like, yeah, don't know what to say, man.
What's that?
Oh no way.
Got full fire.
Yeah, genuinely very impressed with the RS3. Like no brake fit, nothing. I'm on stock pads. I never had time to buy pads because everything was out of stock. All I did was put RBF 600 in, and I just came here at short notice. The car wasn't prepped. Quite a good little car. I've got a bit more respect for it now. Right, so just driven about 5 minutes down the road, basically to the main Nurburgring building. As you've seen all those photos, thought I'd let the brakes cool down. As I said, we are on stock pads, but there seems to be still a bit of meat on them. But yeah, we'll end the video here anyway. I mean, it was a bit of a interesting one towards the start with that cloud of smoke. Could have gone quite easily wrong, and this first impressions might not have been as exciting as I'm currently feeling. But yeah, I'm probably just rambling now because it's quite an experience. I definitely recommend you get out here and try it for yourself. Obviously, be careful as well. But yeah, make sure you drop a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe for a lot more content to come. I probably will have an Autobahn video as well. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video, folks. The clip after the clip. G-Power supercharger. Frozen black. E60 M5, of course. And look at that. An Escort Cosworth just chilling there.